Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can capture any major fault into your fault log. In my last video, I showed you guys how you can capture your time stamps into the array using two-dimension array and a user-defined tag. So last time I created this tag name over here as a fault log array of 10, and I explained how you can capture this time here. In this video we're gonna capture fault. Right under these we're gonna capture fault as well with the time. So what we're gonna do now, first I'm just gonna create one more new routine, and I'm gonna say this is active fault. Hit OK. I go to property. Actually I did mistake here. Let's just delete this, create again new routine as a active fault. You need to assign it as a fault. Every single time there will be fault, this routine is supposed to execute. Hit OK. And over here I'm gonna just put it as a active fault. Next thing we want, whenever the fault is and this routine will be execute, we want to get system value of our major fault. So when you go to the information of this instruction type and go to the objects and program, you will see here as a major fault records, and they are recommending that we need to use user defined tag for that, and we want from time low till our information, which gonna say fault specific information till here. So what we're gonna do here now, we already have our user defined tag from my last video. We're gonna just add these values: time low, time high, type, code, and info here. First gonna be time low, it's the dent. Then we're gonna add time high, it's gonna be dent again. And then the next is type and code, both are integer. So we're gonna say type, it's integer, and then code, that's also integer. The next one we need is info, which is dent of 8. It's gonna be info, dent array of 8 as they recommended. Hit apply. OK. If you look in your program tags under the fault log, under the first one, you have 5 more extra, which is time low, time high, type, code, and info, which is array of 8. So what we're gonna do now in the active fault, we're gonna select our program. Instance name gonna be this. Attribute name, we're gonna say major fault record. The destination, now we need to select in our fault log first element from time low. So now it's gonna start from time low here, but I just don't wanna put every single time in 0. So what I'm gonna do, instead of 0, I'm gonna put here pointer. So every single time pointer value will change, my fault log will also change to different location. Now next thing I want to execute this rung every single time there will be fault, and let's put my copy from here over here. I want to copy time as well, and I want to add my pointer value as well. Add a branch, paste here, We do not need this RAM. Now, this subroutine will execute when there will be a fault, for obviously. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our timer here, and I want to reset this timer every single time it will be done. Preset value 5000, and this gonna be timer 1.done. I want to use move instruction here, and I want to execute this move instruction when I want. I want to use negative value over timer 1.acc accumulator. So every single time I'm gonna move negative value timer preset, sorry, timer preset supposed to be here, not ACC. Preset value, our controller will fault out. So everything looks good here, and let's go to communication, download. Yes, I want to download. I want to run this, and let's see the values in our fault log. We have some value in 0. So we're gonna reset that over here. Let's double check now. There's nothing here. So let's say I wanna move negative value to timer, reset value, and our processor faulted out. And you're gonna see our date, time till here, and now time low, time high, type and code is here now, and other information of processor faulted. So we're gonna go to faults, and you will see here type is 04, which we already recorded here, and go to fault theme. We have a code is 34, we recorded that as well. So that's the way you can record active fault. Now let's say I clear major fault. I'm gonna be on this display. You're gonna see now my pointer value over here, if you're gonna see, is 1. And now if it's gonna be faulted out again, this values will go to number 1, which is gonna be over here, and time as well. So I did not take the negative value out from here. So now I'm gonna try to run my processor. It will fault again and it will record again. Let's try to run it, move it here, and I'm gonna press yes. It's gonna record everything here now. It's gonna fault it again, and it record the event with the fault type and fault code here. So if you want to get out of here, you just clear fault and just change the value here of your preset, and you can run, and your processor is back and running. So that's the way you can capture the major fault of your processor and record these as per your convenience. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video.